Hi, my name is Kenny Safford and I'm on the design team at Mechanix, and this is the tactical FastFit. This happens to be in a coyote color. Fit, features, and function on the FastFit are all top level. The beauty of the glove is of course the TrekDry on the back side of the hand. The TrekDry is a wicking material. It pulls moisture from your hand, cools your hand, and keeps blisters to a minimum. But the palm side of the glove is where the features really shine. We use a 0.6 material on the palm. Very high in dexterity, very high in wear, but it's completely machine washable, which is great. If they get dirty, just toss them in the washer, hang them to dry. They're as good as new. They're completely touchscreen capable for the lifetime of the glove. So every digit and the palm is all touchscreen capable and it never wears out. The fit of the glove is where the FastFit really shines. The anatomical shape of the gussets, the areas between the fingers, are shaped so that you use less energy to open your hand or close your hand, so you get less fatigue, and it also increases grip. On the wrist area, we use a 0.8 stretch. This is super comfortable and it keeps debris from falling on the inside. The thumb area of the glove is a set-in thumb. That means that it's not just one piece, it's actually two pieces. So this enhances the interface between the glove and a firearm. So whether you're using a handgun or a rifle or whatever you're using, there isn't any excess bunching or material, so that the way that the FastFit fits your hand is pretty seamless. No extra materials, rollover fingertips, double stitching. The FastFit is a great choice no matter what your activity.